On a journey to identify some of the top IDOs of 2022, today we have landed on yet another project which is backed by marquee investors like Bluezilla. The project that we are going to cover today is called MetaFame, and the IDO for MetaFame is scheduled on April 15th. So, with that being said, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club. My name is Soham. Every day on this channel, I show you how you can make money with crypto. If you like money and crypto, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon as well. So in this video, guys, we are going to take a look at what exactly is MetaFame. We are going to take a look at the tokenomics. Also, we are going to look at how you can actually participate in the IDO using the MetaVPad Launchpad. Now, MetaFame is going to be launched across multiple launchpads, as you can see right here, from Bluezilla, GameZone, PulsePad, MetaVPad, BugUSwap, and couple of others. For this video, we are going to take the reference of MetaVPad. So first, let's try to understand what exactly is MetaFame. So MetaFame is a metaverse where anyone can become famous, compete against other players to curry the favors of celebrities and secure your place among the meta-famous. Build friendships with influencers and celebrities, earn rewards, and gain your notoriety in the metaverse. The spotlight is waiting for you in the MetaFame. So it is basically a very simple game where we need to get popular in the metaverse itself by getting friends with some of the celebrities. And how we can become friends with them, we need to complete certain tasks and we need to get certain NFTs as well. MetaFame is the first metaverse on the Pulse chain network as well, so that is something that we also need to keep in mind. Now let's take a quick look on the tokenomics for MetaFame. So the public price for MetaFame is $0.001 per token, and the initial market cap is only 180,000. This is one of the very important reasons why I am so confident about this particular project, and I believe it can easily do about 10 or 15x or even more than that, because it is backed by Bluezilla as well as some of the other investors as well. Now, what are some of the platforms that it is going to be listed on? It is going to be listed on multiple platforms like MetaVPad, GameZone, and a few others. Now, in this video, we are going to talk exclusively about how you can participate in MetaFame IDO using the MetaVPad Launchpad. So let's jump onto that. First of all, what we need to understand is the tiered system for MetaVPad. So on MetaVPad, there are 3 tiers and each one of them is a guaranteed tier. So this is the best part about the MetaVPad. Now, the staking requirements are 30,000 for Explorer, 90,000 for Creator, and 180,000 MetaVPad tokens for the Architect levels. And we need to stake the MetaVPad tokens on the platform at least 3 hours before the allocation round opens. Now, what is the price of one MetaVPad token and how much investment is required? Let's take a quick look on that. The price of one MetaVPad token is about 2 cents, a little above 2 cents. Let's assume 0.027, and let us calculate how much do we need to spend if we are to get a guaranteed allocation in the top tier and the lowest tier, that is in Explorer and Architect. For Explorer, we need 30,000 tokens. So let's multiply 30,000 with 0.027. This is the price for one MetaVPad token, and this comes to only $810, guys. So for participating through the MetaVPad Launchpad on any of the IDOs, we need to spend $810, which will give us 30,000 tokens and we can stake them. Also, what we need to do is we need to tweet, like, and comment on the whitelisting requirements, and it is a guaranteed allocation and it has a pool weight of 10. For the creator, the pool weight is much higher, it is 32, and we are required to stake 90,000 tokens. That means we just simply multiply 810 with 3 and we get about $2,400. So $2,400 worth of MetaVPad tokens are required to stake if you are to get into the creator category and get 32 pool weight. What is the significance of this pool weight? Now, this pool weight will be multiplied with the basic allocation, right? So for example, one person is allowed to buy about, let's say, 10 tokens. So if you are in this creator category, you will be allowed to buy 10 into 32, that is about up to 320 tokens for each of the IDOs. Now for the top tier, that is the architect tier, we need 180,000. So simply what we will do, we will just multiply this with 2 and we will get about $4,860 with the current price of the MetaVPad token. So with only $4,860, you can actually get the top tier allocation from the MetaVPad Launchpad, and there is no other requirement. Just the requirement that we need to stake the tokens 3 hours before the allocation starts, and the pool weightage is also huge. It's 66, right? So if any person is getting to about $10 worth of allocation, then the people who are in the architect category will get 66 multiplied by 10, $660 worth of token for the particular IDO. Now how you can actually stake? For that, what we need to do is we need to scroll up to the top of the website and we need to click on Open App. As soon as we click on Open App, we'll be taken to this particular page wherein we will first be required to connect to our MetaMask wallet. How do we connect here? You just click here. If you want to log out, I already have connected, so let me log out first. So it's very simple. You just click on Connect Wallet, select MetaMask, and it is connected. Mind you, you need to select the Binance Smart Chain on the MetaMask wallet. After this, what you need to do is you need to go to staking and then just simply follow the steps. As on this date, there are 12,180 stakers and the APY is also 17%. It's not too big at this point of time. Now, what are the checkpoints or what are the steps that are mentioned here for the staking? First step is to connect the MetaMask. Second, it will show the balance in your MetaMask wallet of the MetaVPad token. Now currently I don't have any, that's why it says 0. Next, you need to have certain BNB available as well. Why is BNB required? Because BNB will be used to pay the fees. Very minimum amount of BNB is required. 0.0089 BNB will be sufficient. And then what you need to do is you need to select the amount, how much you want to stake. Then you need to pre-authorize, confirm, and then you will be able to stake your MetaVPad tokens on the particular platform. And in this way, you can actually participate in any of the top IDOs which have come on the MetaVPad Launchpad. Now, for this video, we are going to talk about the MetaFame. So if you want to participate in the MetaFame IDO, the major steps includes buying MetaVPad token. From where can you buy it? Let's take a quick look on that. So you can buy it from PancakeSwap, MEXC Global and DigiConnect. So guys, what I am seeing generally is MEXC Global is one of those exchanges which has most of these tokens or most of these launchpad tokens. So I will recommend you to have an account on the MEXC Global, and if you do not already have an account on it, you can simply go to the description below, click the link, and you can sign up on MEXC Global as well. Now coming back to MetaFame, why I am so confident about it? The simple reason behind this is it is backed by Bluezilla and it has its IDO across platforms like MetaVPad, PulsePad, VelasPad, and so on. So guys, this is the simple reason why I am so confident. And another reason is the market cap is also very low. It is only about 180,000 at the time of the token generation event. But please keep in mind, none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research before investing. And for me personally, I might look or might consider investing in this IDO. So guys, if you like this kind of content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Also, do not forget to join us on our social medias like Twitter, Instagram and Telegram. Links for each one of them is given in the description below. Thank you so much guys for joining in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.